Hello everybody, this is Rocco Boxer. I'm bringing you an update from Central Texas on the Regency Bridge. We're about ready to roll up on this bridge known as the Swinging Bridge, originally built in 1903. That bridge collapsed and under the weight of a herd of cattle, and it actually fell in 1924, killing a boy, a horse, and some of the cattle. Its successor was demolished in the 1936 flood. So this is the third version of the bridge, and it's a suspension bridge that was built in 1939. It's been up ever since, restored in 2003. All the work was done by hand, and it's a wood plank bridge. You'll hear the creaking and rocking as the truck goes over it. I'll also walk across it, and then I'll fly the drone around it and over it. I'm going to walk back and forth across the bridge here and show you some sights and some of the construction of the bridge. Okay, now I've turned around and I'm headed back across the bridge. Okay, you can see the Colorado River down below. We're on the right side of the bridge now, and you can see the anchor for the cable that the bridge is suspended from. And then also we have the plaque that's at the end of the bridge showing it was built in '39 and restored in 1999. And you can see it's from the great state of Texas. And now I'll take a few drone flights. I'm going to fly the length of the bridge, and then I'm going to fly over the top and catch the bridge from both sides. And you should see some scenic views as well as the Colorado River. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Would appreciate if you could like, share, and subscribe. Look forward to future videos, and thanks again.